Let's talk about the weather today. That is the other big story. Pinpoint weather alert day as we look live over Independence Boulevard. Woo, that is a rough look and a go out of Uptown. You can't even see Uptown right now as the rain's starting to pick back up, and it's only going to get heavier into the night. Let's get over to Chief Meteorologist Tara Lane in the Pinpoint Weather Center. And Tara, what is the timing of the system?
It's basically, as you said, Brian, all throughout the overnight and into much of the day tomorrow. It's going to be almost persistent rainfall. We'll get some minor breaks from time to time, but just, yeah, here we go. And as expected, 24 hours ago, we were saying this, and we knew this more widespread swath of rain, this latest round would come back on in. And here it is, zooming into a couple of spots here from Richmond County. We see a little bit of a break from Norwood and down to Anson County in the rain, but it's coming down pretty good where you see the brighter colors, some moderate to heavy pockets of rain east along Highway 73 and around Kannapolis, Concord Way, part of I-85, Harrisburg, and right over the heart of Mecklenburg County. And Town Charlotte, the rain is picking up, getting a little heavier. Mint Hill Friends as well. And we have a strip of some heavy rain right up there in between Lenoir and Hickory. All of this is lifting up to the north and northeast. And look how much more there is to get through, generally headed right in our direction from the Greenville-Spartanburg area too. So just rain, rain, rain. It's not going to go away anytime real soon. Temperatures, though, meantime today in the wake of a warm front with a southerly push of air, which, by the way, the wind has been picking up a little more, getting a little gusty out there. Nice boost up into the mid 60s. That's not going to last long. By 24 hours from now, we're going to start to feel the chill again. But wind gusts are a little bit higher, anywhere from around 15 to close to 25 miles per hour, and it will stay on the gusty side. So keep that in mind if you have those maybe delicate outside holiday decorations, those inflatables. Maybe you want to keep them deflated going into the night and at least through the first half of the day tomorrow. Temperatures, again, widespread 60s, even close to 70 there out toward Rockingham. We've got the cooler 50s up in the mountains. So this is all ahead of a cold front now, so that swath of moisture is pushing our way ahead of that boundary. Drier conditions behind it, so rain and storms will continue through tonight. By late afternoon tomorrow, by this time tomorrow, most of it will have cleared out, but not really so much until then. So you are guaranteed to get more rain with that high temperature tomorrow. A little deceiving, 59 degrees. That's going to be reached a little bit earlier in the day. By late afternoon, temps start to drop in the wake of that front again. So the reason why we have that pinpoint weather alert is because of the possibility of some at least minor flooding that could develop with some of these high rainfall rates developing and the rain just continuing to come in, especially where you see the yellow from parts of I-85, I-77 corridor up into the foothills, parts of South Carolina, where we may see upwards of an additional 2 to 3+ inches of rain developing again from those high country communities and down toward parts of the Charlotte metro. And check it all out on future radar. So through 10 o'clock tonight, just more areas of heavy rain on the way, and as I said, it just continues right through about 2 o'clock in the morning or so. We see a bit of a break maybe around 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, but that doesn't last long. Here comes the actual front, and by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, the rain is picking up again, and then look what happens. So the colder air to follow, that's going to change the rain over to snow for you all in the mountains, some lightly accumulating high elevation snow. And as I said, by 4 p.m. tomorrow, we are much drier, ending the day with some breaks and peaks of sunshine. A few thunderstorms are possible, containing some gusty, even some stronger wind gusts can't be ruled out, but the highest risk of damaging thunderstorms will be located just to the east of you all there in Richmond County, and especially where you see that yellow down east over eastern portions of North Carolina. And again, with the rain changing over to snow in the mountains, it's not going to add up to much. Bit of a dusting, maybe upwards of 1 to 2 inches once you head higher up in elevation, places like around the ski resorts and up toward Beach Mountain area. 7-day forecast shows we are back to sunshine. Temperatures getting cooler again behind the front. 31 for Thursday morning. We'll keep those highs in the 50s heading into the weekend. More rain could be on the way for the Panthers game on Sunday.